All right, guys, how we doing today? It is Thursday, and towards the end of the week. Couple of pairs I just want to go through. I know in the beginning of this week we were looking at USD CAD, UJ. We'll go over what actually happened with those. A lot of those USD pairs have been playing in the market. They have been very choppy. A lot of stuff going on in our government. So, in fact, let's just go ahead and get into it real quickly. Um, we have what looks like a teacup pattern forming on the, I think this is the 4 hour on the DXY. As you see, we had this long run up. We had a pullback. It's been playing for weeks, right? So we finally touched this high. I'm looking for DXY to finally give us a drop. They said if we look left, you always see similar patterns. We had a big push up, 100, 150, 40. I want to say 50 pips because I don't count that gap. Right? And from here to here, or if, like I said, if I don't count the gap, 115 pips move. Right? And then this false high move that everybody thought we're going to finally get a downtrend from. Right, 127 pips right here. So we're looking at hopefully from top to bottom another 100 pips off this movement. Right, we're already seeing rejection really closely. Let's look at this rejection candle here. Wick. Look at it last time, wick, and then a big move down. Okay, so always look left. Always look left. History repeats itself multiple times. So let's go into some of the pairs we looked at earlier this week. Right? So gold is playing at the top, but right here it keeps wicking off of this support right here, this floor. If we can get a big push or a big rejection candle here, it's going to cover this news candle, which was, I think, 100 pips almost, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 100 pips. A little bit over. All right. And then we also have, UJ we've been looking at is finally rejecting the zone at the top here. We had a big push. 24 hours ago, had a big push up, and then no movement really in the last 4 hours. And then now we're having rejection coming back down. Let's get. So just so you know, I like to look at my charts naked while I'm analyzing movement. I just feel like it's cleaner to look at than to have all these indicators up. All right, USD CAD has been consolidating. I mean, pretty much since the 13th, 14th September. All consolidation means it's been in a range. So it goes from the top of the range to the bottom of the range, top of the range to the bottom of the range, the top of the range, the bottom. Now the range is moving smaller and smaller, which is giving me an indication that we we should get a move really soon. A strong, strong, strong move. And what I like to do is see it's gonna come down a touch, break, right? It comes down, touch, breaks, get to this weekly zone here, right? This is not letting me. Okay, totally fine. Mm. You can get a break like that, right? Or we could, of course, totally get a break on going the other way. But I'm looking for just to break back down just the way it's not. I mean, it's come up here multiple times and it is not breaking this level. I have a whole bunch of rejection candles to the upside, rejecting off the upside to the downside. Just looking and being patient, seeing this downtrend is going to continue, and if it does, we're in a great position. Just being patient, just wait it out. Okay. I do trade an dice called the SPX 500. It's kind of a faster than the not the foreign exchange, the New York Stock Exchange. So it moves a little bit faster than the New York Stock Exchange. But we have a break here, we have a retest, but we're having multiple rejections of this support level or the floor. Let's see if we can get a push up here, just because I am getting a strong feeling that it does not want to be in this area, it does not want to be down. And like I said, this as well has been in consolidation since, I want to say the 5th. Yeah, the 5th of September. So the beginning of this month has been in consolidation, going up and down, up and down, up and down this little range right here that has been stuck in between. And if you look left, you actually have the same thing where it got stuck. It broke through the range and this was bouncing up and down until it finally broke through. All right, so maybe we can get a move to the top of this range and then back down to finish this third touch on the trend line. If this is a valid trend line down here, so we got a one touch, we got two, so maybe we can get people to start selling, right? Get a push here to the top, people start hitting buy, and let's be patient for it to drop back down. All right. One more pair, gold. Let's go over gold real quickly. It's literally been in this range since August, so it's been going up and down and up and down. Since August, it is rejecting this level again, like it did over here. If you look left, like I said, always look left. History always repeats itself over and over again. If we can get a strong push up to cover this candle, right? This news candle here, we can get in, right? So I wanted to break and close above this support level or this floor, and then let's ride it back up to the top here. Bitcoin as well. I know a lot of people love to trade or buy Bitcoin, so they want to know what it's doing. Don't blame you. All right, so Bitcoin took this massive drop on the daily. All right, we got a push here, and then finally a break of the triangle. So we got to find a break of a triangle. We haven't had a retest in quite some time. after this movement. And as you know, if you are a trader or a novice trader, you should always know that a healthy trend is 45-degree angles, not an 80 to a 90-degree angle. So we should look to get this a retest here or into this levels, these two highs here, and then push back down into 7,000. And we might even get down to, let's go to the daily, might get down into these levels right here, right, by the end of the year. I'm not saying it's going to happen immediately because nothing ever happens immediately, but we might get a push down into the 6,800 range or the 6,800 range, however you want to say it or look at it. But we do have a major weight on the daily here, and then we have influx right here where we have indecision candle, and then we found out a push up. Then it came back and retested this 6,800 range here, and then pushed back up. So market likes to fix imbalances, so it might come back down here for the end of the year before it starts to push back up. And since we got up here this year to almost 14, almost in that range, right? We're looking to at least push it to the 20, into next year, early next year, or mid next year, however this market wants to move. All right. Well, that's all I got for you. This is Thursday once again, so be careful with all your trades. The market likes to slow down, of course, going into Friday morning and the Friday afternoon where it closes. So once again, the Forex market is 24/5, and then you can trade crypto 24/7. So I will look to either find a retracement trade, which is a counter trade for Bitcoin, back into these highs, right? 8,800 or 9,400, that range. And just, as soon as you get 10, 20 pips up, I will move my stop loss up or take profit, because this thing could turn on you in a minute and drop all the way back down. Like I said, I believe it's coming towards 6,800, but we'll look at the end of the year or towards the end of the year where we're at with that. Thank y'all so much for being on. Please like, subscribe, share with everybody. We want to get this information out to as many people as we possibly can. I want to help as many people understand Forex. Any questions, any pairs that you would like me to go over, I will be posting posting live training sessions every Tuesday, Thursday. So if you want to hop on, please hit me up on my Instagram, hit me up on the Telegram, find out, ask me what the Telegram is, and I'll be more than happy to put you in that Telegram. Totally free to you. So this information, more information, as much as I can get out as I possibly can. 4 posts a week on YouTube. So look at those charts, the setups. Post at least 5 to 10 setups a week. I don't scout, so I'm not gonna post, a trade every 15 minutes. It's not gonna happen. I just don't believe in you putting out your money into the market that many times. All right, but y'all have a blessed day. Once my mentor always tells us, I'm gonna definitely tell you, pass it on to you. We never look down unless we're willing to pick somebody up. All right. Have a good night. God bless.